So since Zara was born, one thing that me and Jess have been wanting to do is take her camping. And it's only taken a year, but we finally did it. Now able to go camping because the restrictions have lifted for COVID. We decided that we'd go away, and we actually decided this a couple of weeks ago when they first lifted the restrictions, but it poured down the weekend we were going to go, and it just wasn't going to be any fun to go, so we decided not to go. And then we decided to go this weekend, and on Friday it poured down. But like, nah, we'll just go anyway. Well, hopefully it'll clear up. And so it poured down Friday night. We got here like 7:30, and there was mud everywhere. We were sliding around the tracks trying to get in. We got lost because the directions we were given were wrong. But it's all fun. We're sliding around. We lost control a couple of times, but nothing, didn't damage anything, so it's all good. And then we ended up getting here, pouring down, so we had this. I was going to film us setting up the tent, but it was pouring down, so I was like, nah, you guys can just see the aftermath. So the past 2 days we've been trying to get Zara to just have as much fun here as possible. We've got the river right behind us, so we've gone down there a couple times. We've got there to play in the little sandbanks that's down there. Jess brought an RC car, and we had some fun with that. It's just a cheap little Kmart one, but it was fun. Got some decent shots of that, having some fun. Yeah, let Zara play in the dirt for the first day. She would refuse to touch the dirt. She was like, nah, I'm staying on my mat, I'm not going anywhere, not touch nothing. Then when she finally decided she was okay to touch dirt, that's all she's been doing, just rubbing her hands in the dirt, eating it, and just having a good time. It's what we came here for, and it's good. It's good to see her having so much fun. She slept pretty well. She got a cot in the corner, and she slept in that with the puppies, because we got a tent. I think it's a Coleman 10-man tent, I think, or 8-man or 10-man, I don't know. And it's got a divider in the middle, so me and Jess have our bed back here, and in the other side of the room we have Zara sleeping with the dogs. Not with the dogs, they're not in the cot with her, but they're in the room with her. We basically didn't have the dogs with us because we bought an air mattress for this, because I like to be comfortable, so we bought a fairly expensive blow-up mattress, which we ran off an inverter strapped to my car and pumped it up. But yeah, we just didn't want the dogs popping it, pretty much, so they stayed in the other room with Zara, which went pretty well. The only casualty was the back of one of my thongs, which my dog got to in the middle of the night because he got mad, so Odin ate that. But other than that, we've been pretty good. They've been enjoying it. They're going so well. It's Odin's first trip out as well, because he's still a puppy. He's about 8 months old now, I think, 8-9 months, and yeah, he's hit out a ball, and he's been really good. He'll go exploring, but as soon as we yell his name, he comes back, and he's been really good. They've been playing with bloody birds. They've been playing with my parents' dog, which is Shade, an older Kelpie, and they've been just enjoying that. We came out with my parents. Yeah, it's just been a really good time, and I'll show you some shots of it, and yeah, it's been fun. And you see all the fun we've had, and yeah, hopefully we'll be making a lot more camping trips, and I can get a bit better at making these videos, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy. So just let me know if you have any thoughts on
You smile. Daddy's taking a photo of you. Yeah, you said hi. Go hi. It smells so good. Marshmallow. You eat it. Just a normal one. I know you like normal ones.
You're a mess, Papa.
Zara. What are you doing? Where's your tracks?
Excuse me, Zara. I can't put my hands on this mud. Get up.
We have to put your shoe back on properly. Get the ball. Get the ball. Shay, get the ball. Get the ball. Zara, what's this? Nope.
So you're not ticklish when the camera's here?